real great. That's didn't scare me.
I know. You can imagine how much it's gonna freak Cody out.
Oh.
Oh, what's going on, guys? We are going herping, and my hat from my herping. This is my herping hat.
Oh, herpy hat.
Yep.
Very nice.
Let's go get Cody. Well, we got a flat on the way to go pick up Cody, so part of herping, I guess. Baby, tired, dude. All right, we're here. Bo's ready. Cody's here.
Hello. You think this will be good? I got gloves.
I think you should be okay.
Okay. No snakes will get in my face. Got thick stuff on.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. Well, my first official.
You're gonna be
herping
burning
trip.
up like within 5 minutes.
This is my first official.
I'm sweating.
Yeah. You don't watch my videos, do you? I did tips on this, Bo. You know this.
Crap.
All right. Well, this is the habitat that we're looking in. Haven't found anything yet, but hopefully. Bo, we're gonna find something, right?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
Yep. All right. On the off chance that we don't, you guys just yell at Bo, okay? Oh, I'm old. They think they found something. I don't think they did. Nope. Give you guys a little perspective. There's Bo's house down, current house down there. And all this, we're gonna go to the top of that ridge up there. See if there's any bluffs on the other side. Still haven't found anything yet. A couple worms, a little millipede, but nothing that's gonna get you guys excited. Look at that view though.
Jesus.
I was like, I didn't sign up for
I don't
this.
think I'm gonna go herping anymore.
You're gonna stick to the road cruising?
Yep. Or I should probably quit smoking. What's under that rock?
I don't know. Let's see. Termites.
That's not worth it.
Lots of termites.
We climbed all that to get to this ridge. There's a bunch of logs, stuff to flip apparently, all that stuff.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Sun's right in here.
Check that out. Whoa.
What? Okay. Anything? Dang. That's weird, we're not seeing nothing. I hear all these frogs out there. I know if we get over there we can find some frogs. Bo's down for the count.
I found a floor herp.
Well, I got a little buddy that decided to jump on me. He's just chilling. Hey, little dude. Oh! Hey, Cody, come here. Look what I got.
Oh, it's an inchworm.
Yeah, an inchworm.
Come here. Oh, I dropped him.
Okay.
Oh, no.
That's why we can't take you places. So we found this little ravine down here where this runoff is running. That's where we're hearing all these cricket frogs. So figuring if we hit that and walk it on back down, A, we'll be on flat surface. B, if they're chirping, they're giving themselves away, so we know we'll find something. Oh yeah. Trying to find something here, for sure. You think, at least.
What's that?
Let's see if we got anybody home in here. Got that flashlight? Oh, there is. He's way back here.
Just go ahead and stick your hand back in there.
Yeah, good. Back in the day.
Get the venom sucker, boys.
Well, we got one more spot to check out for, it's looking like we might have to accept defeat. Bo's feeling better though.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know what happened.
He had a herping moment.
I'm fat.
So, we're gonna go down there. So, hey!
Right here's probably the drive.
Oh!
Shit. And the most painful. These are awful.
Alright, we are getting ready for the live stream, which happens in 10 minutes. We're up here doing the live stream thing. Bo's eating off to the side because he doesn't want to be rude. Now they know. But yeah, there's all the comments. You guys are going crazy in the comments. It's ridiculous.
Wait, what's faux?
Alright guys, just wrapped up the live stream. And I had a lot of fun doing it. I definitely had a lot of fun doing it. Don't know what we're going to be doing the next one, because it's going to be here soon. Appreciate all you guys leaving comments and all that other fun stuff. Now we're going to, well, Bo's going to show, we're going to head to the store and get some food for Bo's next video, which, if you want to know what that is, watch the live stream. Because we talk a lot about it. And it's going to be some good stuff. I'm actually so excited. I'm hungry right now. I just ate.
Yeah.
It's going to be good.